Introducing Tech Data's new Business Solutions Centre, BSC, in Bracknell. A unique opportunity for you and your customers to get hands-on with the latest innovations in enterprise and audio-visual technology. Covering an extensive portfolio of products and solutions, take technical enablement to the next level in this brand new facility. The new centre has areas specifically dedicated to cloud, security, and data and IoT solutions, providing visitors with a high level of modern technological understanding. It also features dedicated demonstration hubs where you can explore the technology of a particular vendor in greater depth, with key subject matter experts on hand to provide specialised advice. From hardware to software to hyper-converged, ready and waiting to be used for proof-of-concept demonstrations and training sessions. Manned by a full-time technical specialist with support from Tech Data's wider technical community, take advantage of our expertise to configure multi-vendor solutions that address an array of customer needs. Accelerate your sales cycle today. Discover the Tech Data Business Solutions Centre. Contact your account manager to make a booking for a free customer demonstration or event.